Hi guys, I'm Mario from Apps Knowledge in less than 2 minutes. If you want to learn more about your favorite apps with short videos, subscribe to my channel. How to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing? Stick to the end of this video and I'll share with you other interesting Facebook tricks. So, the first step is to check if you are on the latest version of the Facebook app. So we open Play Store, we type Facebook, and here if you see instead of open upgrade, click on it, then restart your device, then open Facebook app. Here choose your profile picture at the top right, scroll down, settings, profile settings, and here type shortcut bar. Find marketplace and change it to pin. Now you can see nothing is changed because I didn't close the app. You can restart your device or just clear all activities and then open the app again. As you can see, here is marketplace.